If you haven't heard the ancient story behind the warrior poses in yoga, then you have been missing out big time on what they're actually doing for you and teaching you and inspiring in you. And I know that's a really bold statement, but it's true. Because if you don't have the whole story on something, then you're only seeing it through a very limited perspective, right? So that's the same in this situation. Before I go any further, I would like to pause and introduce myself. Hi, my name is Megan Nolan, and I empower people with the tools that they need to live, move, and feel their best so that they get to show up as their most vibrant self in every area of their life. So, a lot of people don't even realize or even know that many of the yoga poses actually have an ancient story behind them. That is a parable that is designed to teach us so much because they are filled with lessons about how to do the pose. They're rich with metaphors and meaning that give us so much information about what we're doing while we do it, the structure of the posture itself, the practice of yoga, but most importantly, they really help us understand what the pose is actually igniting within us when we do them. So, the story of the warrior, or Virabhadra, the warrior behind the Virabhadrasana yoga poses, is the same. It's an ancient story. It's from a Hindu text, and I gotta tell you, it's a little bit crazy. It's intense. There's raging emotion, there's love, there's fire, there's explosion, there's cliff-hanging moments, and it's a lot like life, right? And really, it's a metaphor for our journey as yogis, as warriors, as we walk the path of life and learn to integrate all aspects of ourself and awaken as warriors and embody this powerful version of ourself that is awakened and inspired and living from that place. And when you step into the version of you that is feeling inspired and lit up and driven and committed and willing and ready for action, that's the warrior. That's the warrior that's already within you. So the story and the framework that it gives you actually really opens you up to realizing the depth of the yoga practice beyond simply being mind and body and spirit, which of course it is. But until you know the story and the framework, you're doing the poses and you're just doing the poses, which is great, but you're not getting that full depth of understanding and expression that you are once you know the story. So, do you want to know the story? I bet you do, because I bet you want to know how much benefit and transformation is possible for you when you begin to really express the qualities of the warrior that you already have within you. So, you want to know the story? I'm sharing the story in a free 5-day Awaken Your Inner Warrior workshop. I'm going to share the full story and the framework to help you understand and experience the depth of these powerful poses, to help you awaken your inner warrior so that you can live from that empowered place every day. So the 5-day series will help you to not only get to know Virabhadra, the warrior, but will help you to get to know your inner warrior. And to do that, we're going to be asking 5 very important questions. 1, what is your mission? Every warrior is on a mission, but we have to continually refocus on that and recalibrate, especially before we go into the second half of this crazy 2020 year that we're in. Question 2, why do you want to achieve that mission? What is the driving force behind you moving in that direction? How do you want to feel once you've achieved it? And how can we use the yoga practice to help get us there and animate the qualities that we need to achieve those goals? Question 3, who do you have to be to achieve those goals? How do you have to show up? What beliefs do you have to have about yourself and your capabilities in order to get to that big mission? Number 4, where are you going to be doing this work? On what level? Mind, body, spirit, yes, of course, but this framework is going to use such a deeper level, because you're going to learn about the architecture, the awareness of the mind, and the attention to the intention, all needed to awaken your inner warrior. I'm going to share that whole framework. And then we'll be asking how. How are you going to bring all of this amazing information, all of these powerful ancient tools together to make it make sense so that you can use it right away for more inspiration? So I would love to share all that with you, and I would love to have you join us for the free 5-day Awaken Your Inner Warrior workshop. It's running from July 6th to the 10th, every day at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 3 p.m. Eastern. And once you sign up, if you can't make it live, although I would love to have you join us live because there's going to be lots of energy and prizes and fun. If you can't make it live, there will be replays, and each session will only be about 25 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Don't you want to meet that beautiful, vibrant warrior that's inside of you already and learn how to be in that powerful place of invigoration and energy and inspiration so that you can take brave action towards that big mission that you're on, my friend? I hope so. I hope that you really want to meet that beautiful warrior within you and begin to live from that empowered place. So if you do, make sure you sign up for the free workshop, and I will see you there. Awesome. Take care, everybody. Bye. Okay, I think that's